Merry Christmas!
Yay!
Guess what we have? The vegan box!
Yes!
Our favourite time of the month. If you haven't heard of the vegan box, pretty sure you've been not around.
I'm like, you've been hiding under a rock.
Is that what they say? Yep. Because we actually have the vegan box playlist. We unbox the vegan boxes every month because the vegan box is a subscription box.
And they're very rad.
Very rad. Best quality products that I've ever discovered in this subscription box. I've actually had a few subscription boxes before. This is my favorite. The products in this box I always use. Like I always keep buying them.
And not only the snack box, also the beauty box as well. So
Yes.
we like so align with all the food and all the beauty products that come in these boxes. It gets so exciting, hey?
Yes.
So, I know.
Anyway, if you don't know us, we're Renee and Kerry. Upload every week. And we have an Instagram. Our username is Renee and Kerry for all of our
Everything.
socials. Pretty much everything, yeah. Renee and Kerry. Okay, I bet you guys are busting to see what's inside this box because haven't opened it. See, proof
No.
is right there.
I'm
Still
like-
got the tape on.
We have no idea what's in this.
We don't even know if this is the snack box or the beauty box.
Oh!
First product, 13 Seeds Hemp Farm Tasmania, made with all natural ingredients. Hemp seeds are,
Amazing.
they're really, really good. Like just to put on your breakfast and it just adds protein. So good. I love hemp seeds.
Well, I put them in my smoothies and I also sprinkle them on avocado on toast. Oh, and in your salads.
Oh, yeah, true.
And if I do baked pumpkin, which AKA is Friday's favourite, I sprinkle them on the pumpkin.
So good. And you know how you're putting them in the smoothie?
Yes.
I'm pretty sure there's such thing as hemp milk. So I feel like that'll like
Ooh,
make your
hemp
smoothie
milk.
kind of creamy if you put them in your smoothie.
I'm on a mission to find hemp milk now.
Yeah.
Or do you make hemp milk out of hemp heart?
Oh, you probably can. Oh, true.
Oh.
Well, we have a whole bag of it now.
Well, I can tell you guys, I'm a huge fan of 13 Seeds. I have their oil too, their hemp oil.
East Barley Cashews, wild harvested sea salt cashew nuts, sprinkled with hand harvested sea salt, gluten-free, preservative-free. That's what we like. Wow, sea salt cashews. You know what's really cool? That picture of like the salt.
Yeah.
Looks like snow. Oh. Do you like cashews?
Wow, I love cashews.
They look frosty, hey.
Do it.
How can you not like those?
Oh my god. Really? That's fun because these are really fresh.
Yeah. So they've got like salt all over them, but it's like a really fine salt. It's like a powder.
Mm.
Yeah,
And they're not too
see?
salty, hey?
No.
Okay.
Wow. Tick.
Tick.
Okay, already.
Definitely.
And also, like, how
Definitely.
big are these products that we're getting from the snack box? Like, you've got a whole bag of hemp seeds.
That will last a long time, that bag of hemp seeds, because I get the bigger bag and I think that lasts me months. I couldn't even tell you how often I order them. They're so easy. Oh, I just spotted one of our faves in
Oh.
here. This is my favorite little sport
Nothing beats this bar anymore. Oh my gosh.
anymore. Get
Oh.
it? Uh-huh.
If you haven't tried these, like, I'm not even kidding you. This is all you'll be getting if you get these. Oh, so good. Like,
They fill you up. It's
Yeah.
not just like it's like they fill you up and they make you happy. Lanka, still loving on your product, girl.
we've already tried it, but I'm ripping into it.
Do it.
It's so good. I'll actually link all of our vegan box playlist down below. We've done quite a few.
I know. We like making people hungry. And apparently thirsty now too. Mm. Mm.
Yep.
You
By
know-
the way, we actually did a video of us unboxing a massive box of more products. I'll link that video down below if you want to watch that, but
That was a good day. We just know that if anyone orders anything from the More range, you are not going to be disappointed. Like, seriously.
also, we'll link the vegan box Instagram down below and her website. Let's continue with these snacks. There's heaps more
this
in
is
here.
really cute. Well, this has just made our day, hasn't it? And this little guy. It's a little pudding.
I'm so curious. What is it?
It's a little Christmas pudding.
Traditional plum pudding, egg-free, gluten-free, dairy-free, vegan, Pud for all seasons. Oh my god, what a cute little brand name. Pud.
Let's have a little pud, anybody? I like
Yeah.
it.
Oh, I love puddings. It's definitely like, some people don't like puddings. Mum, I know you won't like this because you don't like sultanas or raisins.
Mum, how could you
I
not
know.
like sultanas or raisins? What?
How can someone not like, does anyone else not like sultanas or raisins? Mum, you literally used to pick out the sultanas from the cereal.
I never knew anyone that didn't like sultanas.
I know. They're like lollies.
Aren't they?
Yeah.
Like,
How cute is this packaging? Literally wrapped in a nice little cloth.
calico.
Calico.
Little calico cloth bag.
Yeah, I love that fabric. It's really nice. And we are going to unwrap this together. And look at the bow. The packaging's so nice. You guys curious on what this pudding looks like?
I'm actually really excited because I think these little puddings would make cute little gifts.
Yeah, look.
Like, for your neighbours and things.
You'd
like
open
people
it
that
and-
you wouldn't want to buy a huge gift for, but nice to give them a little token Christmas gift. Okay, we're going in.
Going in. There's a little pudding.
Oh,
Okay. Oh, it's like really, you can already see how moist this is. Like how it's like stuck to the packet. Can you see that? Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. It's like sticky.
wow.
Okay, this is definitely a Christmas kind of themed box because it's like a Christmas pudding. Like,
Smells good. Smell it.
oh,
Fresh.
no. Smells
Oh,
like alcohol, like.
I can smell like it smells like rum in it.
Oh,
Is
is
there
that
rum
what
in
it is? Raisins, sultanas, currants, sugar, gluten-free. That's all. Oh, gluten-free flour. Brandy.
Brandy and sherry.
Are you guys getting hungry now? Like, or-
Yeah, you should be because this smells really delicious.
Oh, I love puddings.
Oh, you know when you just
You
rip
not
that
like
apart,
puddings.
I could just hear it like. It's so nice. Yeah, you can hear the smush.
Taste a little bit.
Yes, I think this is going to be good. Brandy and sherry. Hello.
Oh no, how can you not? Oh, sultanas.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh my god. I feel like I'm eating Christmas. Mmm. This is vegan.
Really good.
I know, it literally tastes like the puddings I used to eat when I was a kid. I also think it does taste like a dessert. Like it's very sweet. A bit of custard, vegan custard on that. I need to order more of these for
I
Christmas.
wonder what else they have because seriously, these are nice. It's a tick from us.
I'm impressed. Wow, you guys, these are good.
Highly recommend if you guys need a little something token gift. This is good.
And you can wipe your sticky hands on the calico cloth they gave you.
Well done.
I know. See why I love the vegan box?
They're always so much fun, hey?
Yeah, like unpredictable. Like literally like a present because you don't know what you're going to get.
You never know what you're gonna get.
And I know that they're always amazing. Want some more?
Oh, why not?
Mmm. Next up in the box. Okay, this is calling my name. This is calling my name.
Oh, yeah.
We've come across this brand before. We got a, remember the lips?
Oh, I love the lips. They were so much fun.
That was in another snack box 3 box unboxing that we did. And guess what? Look at, I didn't even know they had all different ones. They got like Christmas themed ones.
This makes me happy because these are really cute. Oh, it's raspberry and lemonade. Do you know what my favorite kombucha is? Raspberry and lemonade.
There's a proper look at this
Look at the swirl on it.
vegan Christmas tree. I know, it's so pretty. It's kind of like, it's like the Grinch. Oh my god, it's like a little hat. Oh, that's easy. It's not hard when you shave.
Really?
Mm.
But you love it.
Oh my god. It tastes like raspberry juice.
Raspberry juice.
Cordial. Tastes like cordial. Tastes like raspberry cordial.
I just love the smell of it. All right, I'm going in.
How good does that taste? I feel like a kid again.
Do you know what? This does bring out the inner kid in you. It's good. These are just really fun. They actually make me really happy. And the lips that we had in that last box, that was silly and fun. This, I'm so getting, yeah, going off.
Eat these in moderation because you've got to look after your teeth. These would be really cool to like put on the Christmas feast table on everyone's plate. You have a little vegan Christmas tree lolly.
We follow them on their Instagram and I love a lot of their Instagram posts because they show you how they're made in the factory, and it's really cute seeing them all chopped up and falling out. I love it.
I love seeing that. Makes
So-
you appreciate the product more because you watch it getting made and how much effort they get put into just to making this like one product. There's so many snacks. Okay,
Let's go.
this is the last one in the box. We have activated super seeds, Pimp My Salad, gluten-free, keto, vegan, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, like, so it's all the seeds.
Do it.
It's flavored with nutritional yeast and tamari. That's my favorite.
Tamari. Oh, look at
Guys.
the smile. Yeah, see?
Ooh,
Wow, that's strong.
strong, isn't it? This will be nice to finish on, like a bit of a savory. Salty.
It's very
That's so
salty.
savory. Oh my gosh, yeah, savory.
Oh, I really love
Okay,
it.
this is actually like a savory granola. Like, I'm not even kidding.
Oh my god, you nailed it. Savory granola. Totally.
And taste tamari. Yep.
Yeah.
Mmm.
I actually... Who needs chips? We can just eat these out of the packet like this.
I actually want to get this all the time.
Isn't it good?
Oh, this is such a good invention. Pimp My Salad. Guys, this is really good. Like,
Get your seeds in. Because we had the bacon. Was it the bacon? And there were like strips of coconut with seasoning on it. That's good.
okay, I'm really impressed.
We'll just be sitting over here eating these.
These are so Moorish. It's supposed to be a salad topper. No. Good.
Renee's going through picking out all the big chunky bits.
Holy shit.
I know.
These are next level. I'm so happy that there's actually such thing as this. And it's vegan. And it's gluten-free. So, we've got two little cards.
We always read the cards.
Yes. Okay, the value of this box is over $40. I think these are worth, I'll put how much they're worth on the screen. So in all the vegan boxes, Danielle puts in a cute little card and they've got all of the products that is in this box, and if you like any of them you can check out there because they've got all of their socials, website on the card, so you can just look it up and buy more.
And do you know what? If you need to buy a present for someone that's really hard to buy for, get one of these. Like, you can't go wrong with food snacks. This is a gift that keeps on giving.
If you buy the vegan box, use our code Renee and Kerry at checkout for 10% off. If you buy a box and use our code, let us know. It really makes us happy. You would make our day.
We love to see you eating the lollipop.
Thank you, Danielle. Thank you so much. You are the best. We love you so much.
We do. You have no idea. Your vegan boxes make our month, and we just absolutely love embracing everything that you do. We align with every business that you supply in these boxes.
And Merry Christmas!
Yes, Merry Christmas, everybody, because well done. We made it to December 2020. Woo!
Yeah.
It's been a year of adjusting your little hat. We just want to say that we just absolutely love your support. Thank you for giving us the love back. And this is our last vegan snack box for the year.
Oh.
I know.
Oh, but don't worry. We're doing lots more next year. 2021. There is another vegan box unboxing coming before 2021, so stay tuned for that.
But thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your love. We absolutely love you guys.
Don't forget to check us out on Instagram, Renee and Kerry. We have a TikTok. Maybe more of that coming.
Anywho, we love you guys. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.
See you guys.